Atongoria kiama-ini kia Manathi guku bururi-ini ni marutite mukana wa kuigamira thi kungikinya thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi ndigukorwo ikigacirithia ugitiri thibitari-ini cia muingi. Mukana uyu ukite thutha wa Manathi eri gutharikirwo na kugurario uru ni muingi thibitari-ini wa Mama Lucy guku Nairobi thutha wa murwaru umwe gukua riria aramukagira urigiti.
The healthcare workers that were present did their best to arrest the emergency that was then, but the patient did not respond as per the expectations of all of us. When it reached a point that this now patient required some specialized care, the condition changed and a resuscitation was attempted but failed.
Kuringana na urugamiriri wa thibitari, murwaru ucio arakinyirio thibitari ari mwihire thutha wa gutungana na mutino wa barabara no arakua agitangikirwo.
No matter how the situations are, we always do our best. But when it comes to a point whereby you cannot concentrate on delivering the very primary services to save lives because you are either in fear of being attacked, it becomes something that leaves more to be admired.
The same public that is attacking us is the same public that will tomorrow say we went to that facility and we were not accorded the necessary support or rather the services that we require.
Atongoria ya maugite riri tirita ria mbere arigitani gutharikirwo ni muingi riria matanya maga gukinyanira riu makienda kuheo gitiri wa kuigana riria maratangikira arwaru.
Within the 24 hours we've asked for, if the security is not going to be beefed here, as leaders we are going to heed to our members' cry that they will abscond their duty. They will abscond duty until they are guaranteed of their safety.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.